It's one of the few things you buy that you hope you'll never use, life insurance. And these days, fewer people are buying. Why? The most commonly cited reason, competing financial priorities, like paying the mortgage. Interestingly, according to an industry study, consumers tend to overestimate the cost of life insurance, sometimes by nearly threefold. But the cost of basic term life insurance has actually fallen over the past decade. That's if you can get it. If you have health conditions or any red flags in your personal history, don't expect to be a shoo-in. Americans tend to shop for life insurance in their 40s and 50s, when bad habits, smoking, obesity, and heavy drinking, may have caught up with them, and suffering from depression may have occurred episodically or persistently, not to mention an occasional speeding ticket. And while you can't turn back the clock, you are, as they say, never going to be younger than you are now. So be realistic about the policies you pursue. Don't expect the advertised rates, and consider getting counsel from an insurance agency who understands your situation. Expect a medical exam, and if you're declined, make sure you understand why and request a copy of the medical report so you have a real read on the situation and can make a determined go-forward plan. All this begs the question, should you purchase life insurance for your kids now so they don't run into this situation down the road? Maybe. Locking in a long-term plan for a child is an interesting, forward-thinking approach. It's not without controversy, and the average insured amount for a child tends to be low, about $5,000 according to Bankrate. Make sure the policy is renewable and that you can increase the coverage amount over time, which means it will be in place during their prime earning years and before any potentially costly scenarios occur that could jeopardize their ability to get approved. Essentially, it guards against uninsurability. The other major rationale in the event of an unimaginable tragedy, the death of a child, it may understandably be difficult to work and make ends meet, so it could provide some financial respite. For USA Today, I'm Regina Lewis.